Hello everybody, I'm sorry that I missed Bonfire Night, but in the next poem, my granddad, who died, wrote a poem when he was pretty young, maybe a teenager, about Bonfire Night. I also have a song about Bonfire Night, so unfortunately I can't do the poem. I don't have the song. Okay, sorry guys, but anyway, Bonfire Night. In the comments, write how you celebrated Bonfire Night. The first person I might chat back to. Anyway, Bonfire Night was good. Maybe some of you made Guy Fawkes and put them on the bonfire. Anyway, music is going good. Moved into another band, remember. Pick the Plectrum will be the Tango Tigers, so remember this. Right. It's really about it. Oh yeah, as it's lockdown, we might not be able to do some things, but anyway, we're still going to school. Peace.